Hi guys, myself Sandeep and we based in Australia, Melbourne. And firstly I contact April from Yuchen company in China, and she's really wonderful. This company is really good. They deliver this machine, very nice, super fast, very easy to use. And Jack here, the cameraman, he explained us everything about the machine, which is going very good. Like if you are planning to buy a blind cutting machine or something, just contact them, and it's really a wonderful experience. Very easy over the call, and once you call them, they just pick a call, help you, and machine is going fine, no issue, good price, and very efficient. So just contact Yuchen April. Thank you.
Buy with confidence anytime from them. They're really good.
In Australia, if you need help, we will help you on their behalf.
Yeah, sure.